Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MIW Mervin's Inventive World. I was thinking what to do for my new video. Let me do something with an old laptop battery. When I removed the case of it, I found 6 cells in it. I am taking 2 cells to make a simple flashlight. Hope you all will enjoy the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start our video. Take 2 batteries and attach a LED strip to the battery. You can use a 6-volt LED strip so that the brightness will be more. Now stick the LED strip to the battery using Fevikwik. Now take a switch and connect the negative wire of the LED strip to the switch. Let us solder them. Now stick the switch to the battery using Fevikwik. After sticking the switch, take a small wire and connect it to the negative side of the battery and the switch. Now cut the excess part of the wire. Now connect the positive wire to the battery and solder them. Now our connection is done. Let's check how it works. Now let's check how to charge these batteries. For charging it, you need a 6 to 7 volt adapter. Now connect the positive and negative wire accordingly. Plug in and turn on the switch so that your battery starts charging. You need to keep charging for 30 minutes so that your battery gets fully charged.